what we have here is the underside of the Hot Wheels. Let's fish it out. Hot Wheels lead the way.